Well, I'm YaYa, and I want to welcome you for joining me again on day 6 of our 14-day Easy Beginner Watercolor Challenge. Day 6 is monochrome day. Pick your favorite color, or not necessarily your favorite color, and stick with it for the whole piece. It's like speed dating your paint palette. One color, full commitment. I chose Payne's Gray and chose to layer mountains. You can choose whatever sounds joyful to you, whether it's flowers, trees, abstract, birds, whatever. Just remember, we want easy breezy ideas, so keep it simple and have fun. Well, that's it for today. We had one color, but so much personality. Who knew monochrome could be this fun? Come on back tomorrow. We'll mix things up again. Bye.